The trucks moving your food, fuel, construction materials, and online orders have looked the same for decades. Loud engines, thick smoke, and massive fuel bills. But right now, something quiet, powerful, and unexpected is rolling across borders. Chinese electric heavy trucks are entering global markets, and they're not coming as experiments. They're coming as serious competitors. For logistics companies, trucking fleets, and even governments, this shift is emotional as much as it is economic. Rising diesel prices, tightening emission laws, and public pressure have pushed the industry to a breaking point. Operators are desperate for one thing: lower cost per kilometer. And China has answered with electric heavy trucks that promise less noise, less pollution, and dramatically lower operating costs. At first, many doubted them. Heavy trucks need power, range, and reliability. They carry massive loads across long distances. Electric motors sounded unrealistic. But Chinese manufacturers didn't chase hype. They focused on engineering. High-torque electric drivetrains now deliver instant pulling power that diesel trucks can't match at low speeds. For ports, mines, and urban freight routes, these trucks outperform traditional rigs where it matters most. Battery innovation is the real driver behind this shift. Advanced lithium iron phosphate packs, blade-style battery designs, and fast-charging architectures allow these trucks to run full shifts on a single charge. In some models, battery swapping replaces downtime entirely. 5 minutes, and the truck is back on the road. That changes the economics of freight overnight. Chinese brands are also pricing aggressively. While European and American electric trucks often come with premium price tags, Chinese electric heavy trucks are entering markets in Asia, the Middle East, South America, and parts of Europe at significantly lower upfront costs. When fleet owners calculate fuel savings, maintenance reductions, and government incentives, the numbers stop being theoretical and start becoming impossible to ignore. Charging infrastructure is another advantage. In China, megawatt-level charging stations for heavy trucks already operate at ports, logistics hubs, and industrial zones. As these trucks move globally, Chinese companies are exporting not just vehicles, but entire systems: chargers, software, fleet management, and energy storage solutions. It's a complete ecosystem designed for scale. Critically, these trucks aren't just green, they're smart. AI-based energy management optimizes routes, load weight, and driving behavior to maximize efficiency. Predictive maintenance alerts reduce breakdowns. Real-time fleet monitoring cuts idle time. For operators, this means fewer surprises and better profit margins. Now, global competitors are paying attention. Established truck makers once dismissed Chinese electric trucks as regional products. Today, they're rushing EV platforms into production and forming partnerships just to keep pace. Ports in Europe are electrifying truck lanes. Mining operations in Africa are testing electric haulage. Urban delivery contracts increasingly demand zero-emission fleets. The door is open, and Chinese manufacturers are walking in fast. This isn't just about vehicles. It's about control of the future logistics chain. If electric trucks become the standard, whoever builds the batteries, power systems, and software will define the next era of global transport. China knows this and is moving early. For the world, the impact is enormous. Quieter cities, cleaner ports, lower shipping costs, and a transport system less dependent on volatile fuel markets. For fleet owners, electric heavy trucks are no longer a risk. They're becoming a competitive advantage. And this is just the beginning. Next-generation batteries promise longer range. Ultra-fast charging will cut downtime further. Autonomous driving will change labor economics entirely. When those technologies combine, the traditional diesel truck may become as outdated as steam engines. The question isn't whether electric heavy trucks will dominate global markets. The question is who adapts fast enough to compete. If you want deeper insights into electric vehicle revolutions, future transport, and real-world tech that reshapes industries, subscribe to the channel. And if affordable EVs interest you personally, don't miss the end-screen video titled Top 5 Most Affordable Mini EVs in 2025. It's perfect for anyone planning their next smart move into electric mobility. The future of trucking has started, and it's moving faster than anyone expected.